have text functions and data validation. Okay, I'll explain you data validation quickly because that might be useful for us. Okay, so what is data validation? When we are saying that, now from the name itself you can say validating the data that you are inputting in the Excel sheet. Okay, so sometimes what happens is, let's say if we tell 10 people, like for example, if I tell all of you also that can you please mention your date of birth in this row that I'm giving you, sorry, in this column that I'm giving you, can you please mention your date of birth? So what will happen is Parul might put her as uh, DDMMYY format. Shilpa might put it triple D, triple M, triple Y format. Jhansi will put it, let's say, 4 times D, 4 times M, and 4 times Y format. So everybody might use different formats. Okay, some might put a dash, some might not put a dash, some might do something else. Okay, so everybody's data is going to be different. Now when I want to use this data for, let's say, for some other purposes, let's say I want to create a report or something like that, what is going to happen is I'll not be able to use all the data that you all have given, because everybody has put the information in different ways. The information that I want is there in that cell, in that row cell. Okay, column cell, but whatever format you have used to put that data is different for everyone. Okay, so just to make sure that I can utilize this information, I will basically validate my Excel. What I will say is I will make sure that the format that I want only DDMMYY. So what I will do is I will format my cell into DDMMYY only, so that tomorrow if somebody else is inputting data in, let's say, triple D, triple M, triple Y format, the cell will not accept the data. The cell will say no, you have to enter data only in DDMMYY format, only then I will take it. So what is happening? You're creating a discipline so that whatever data is coming, it will, for everyone, it will come in one format. Then you can utilize this data for some report creation or some other activities. Okay, so that is basically data validation. So text functions, they convert numbers to text by applying formatting to it with format codes. The text functions are used to display numbers in a more readable format or to combine numbers with text or symbols. While using text function, keep the original value in one cell and use the text function in the other cell, just to make sure that whatever data you are converting into text, it is the same. Okay? At the time of building other formulas, always refer the original value and not the text function result. That means if you're using more formula into your Excel, don't use the new one which you have created in another column. Use the one that is the original data that you have received, because that will help you to like calculate a lot of things, or the formulas that you're putting in that particular text box, that will be basically used. Okay. Data validation. So this is an essential process in data analytics, business intelligence, and in machine learning model. This technique is used to check the integrity, accuracy, and structure of data before using business operations. Data validation ensures the quality, authority, and accuracy of the information sources. Data validation can also be used for spell checking and password creation in application workflow. The same way that I told you, example, similar way we can use data validation for many other cases also.